In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quote in Canva. We'll walk through how to find a great quote layout, customize the text so it fits your message, and tweak the background to match your style. By the end, you'll be able to create a polished quote graphic you can use on social media, presentations, or anywhere you like. First, make sure you already have your design open in Canva. This could be an Instagram post, a presentation slide, or any other format you're working on. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see a vertical menu. Look for the option labeled Templates and click it. This opens the Templates panel, which is where Canva stores ready-made designs. At the top of this panel, there's a search bar. Click into the search field and type in what you're looking for, such as quote or any specific style you want, like minimal quote or bold quote. Canva will show you a variety of template options that already have quote layouts designed for you. Take a moment to scroll through and preview them. When you find one that matches the mood or aesthetic you're going for, simply click on it. Canva will automatically place that template onto your canvas, replacing the existing layout or adding it as a new page, depending on where you are in your design. Now it's time to customize the text. Click on the quote text in the template. To quickly replace it, double-click the text box so the text is highlighted. Then start typing your own quote. While the text is selected, look at the toolbar that appears at the top of the editor. Here you can change the font style, adjust the font size, and choose a new font color. You can also make the text bold, italic, underlined, or add a strike through if you need it. There are options for changing text alignment, turning everything into uppercase, and working with lists. If you click on Advanced Settings, a small panel will appear where you can fine-tune letter spacing and line spacing, and adjust how the text box is anchored. You can also change transparency if you want your text to blend slightly with the background. Next, click on Effects to open the Effects panel on the left. Here you can try different styles like shadows or outlines by clicking on each option and seeing how it looks on your quote. In the same top toolbar, you can also explore Animate to add simple motion to your text and Position to control how your text is layered and aligned within the design. If you'd like a different background for your quote, head back to the left-hand menu and click on Elements. Use the search bar there to find background photos, textures, or shapes that fit your design. When you find one you like, drag it onto your canvas and adjust it to cover the background area. Then delete or move the original background so your new one shows through. If you already have a specific image saved on your computer, go to the Uploads tab instead. Click Upload Files, choose your image, and once it's uploaded, drag it onto your design. Resize and position it behind your quote text so everything is easy to read. And that's it. You've learned how to quote in Canva, from choosing a template to customizing the text and background, so you can create professional-looking quote graphics quickly and easily.